Welcome student in English grammar class. Today we start English Plus. In this book we learn about parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. First we start with noun. So students, what is noun? As all we know that nouns are naming words. They name person, place, animal or thing. For example, boy, uncle, Ram, flat, house, road, tiger, bull, cat, etc. Now, kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. First, proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or thing. For example, Japan, Ashok, Mumbai, Ramayana. Common noun. A common noun is the name which is common to all persons, things or places. For example, town, city, hospital, boy, women, etc. Collective noun. A collective noun is the name given to many persons, animals or things taken together as a group. For example, a bunch of keys, an army of soldiers. Here, bunch and army are collective nouns. Material nouns. A material noun is the name of the matter which the things are made of. For example, glass, steel, wood, plastic, fiber, cotton, etc. Abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of a feeling, quality or state that we can only think or feel. For example, beauty, honesty, etc. Noun are countable and uncountable also. Countable nouns. The nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. Example, chair, pen, pencil. Uncountable noun. The noun which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. For example, money, news, wheat, etc. Noun number. There are 2 number of nouns: singular noun, plural noun. Singular, it stands for one countable noun. Example, boy, table, pen. Plural, it stands for more than one countable noun. Example, boys, tables, pens. Noun, gender. There are 4 main genders: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. Masculine gender are male gender, uncle, father, brother, etc. Feminine gender, female gender, mother, sister, aunt, etc. Common gender, friend, neighbor. Neuter gender, which are non-living things. Pronoun. Pronoun are words that replace nouns. I, me, she, we, they, who, that, your, his, her, it, etc. Kinds of pronoun. There are 6 kinds of pronoun: personal pronoun, relative pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. Personal pronoun. These pronouns are used in place of person. For example, I, me, we, us, you, he, him, etc. Reflexive pronoun refers back to the subject. Reflexive pronouns. These pronouns are used to show the relationship between two things or person. Possessive pronoun. These pronouns are used to show possession. For example, this pen is his. Reflexive pronouns. These pronouns are used as the object of the verb. The result of the action falls on the subject. For example, he does it himself. Interrogative pronoun. These pronouns are used to ask question. For example, who is my friend? What is your name? Demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns are used to point out the things to which they refer. For example, this is a beautiful sculpture. These are 2 friends, etc. Adjectives. Adjectives are words that add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Adjective often comes before a noun they describe. Adjective can also come after the noun they describe. Kinds of adjective. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective. Adjective of quality. These adjectives tell us about the quality of a person or thing. For example, I am a big boy. She has a small box. Adjective of quantity. These adjectives tell us the quantity of a thing or person. For example, I have some toffees. We have got enough boys. Adjective of number. These adjectives tell us how many person or things there are. For example, I saw 3 girls in the park. 2 apples are left in the basket. Demonstrative adjective. These adjectives are used to point out person or things. For example, these pens are old. This box is damaged. Interrogative adjective. These adjectives are used to ask question. For example, which pencil is mine? Whose box is this? What color do you want? Possessive adjective. These adjectives show possession or belongings. For example, your shirt is red. Her painting is good. He got his shirt. Some degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison in adjective. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Positive degree, it is used where there is no comparison. For example, Arun is a short boy. Here the word short is used for the positive degree. Comparative degree, it is used where there is a comparison between person or things. We add ER to the adjective or more before the adjective. The word then, it is used after the adjective. Superlative degree, it is used when there is a comparison between more than 2 things or person. We add EST to the adjective or most before the adjective. That's all for today. Thank you, students. We will continue this chapter.